Yes, Facebook. Good morning. Yeah, Vanessa, me I call a blood clot name come fully bad. So the next time you can talk about mother mine, my mother don't mind me. And your second talk about bar work, I don't work in bar sweethearts. I don't work in bar. So who I tell you and me don't know where you get the information from because me not work in a bar. My mother not mind me. My father not mind me. And my mother supposed to build a roof over her head because she's a great mother. Yeah. She do it from we a teenager, so it's still over with him. Me not achieve what I want yet. So me not move out. Me not move out. But me not sleep on a upstairs and downstairs bed with my brother and my sister. My bed, my TV, my stove. Yeah, achieve them thing there. 24-year-old, my things them. Your man was living at the quad, was sleep with him brother, and me left him. Him soap underpants and him soap shoes. It never matched me. So I left him. Yeah. So congrats to you. We find him. Can buy him 2 boxes of foreign because I'm wanting I'm life for do all of them mining there. Yeah, worry about my mother and my father want mind me. Stop mine blood clot man, Vanessa. And if you stop mine man, young green girl, no for mine man. Man for mine, we. My mother, we talk about my mother feet. Ask anybody about me. Look good, that look good. Look there, belly flat and beard things, yeah. Burst stiff up, yeah. But maybe have because I have a 2 spot in my face. But ask Kishana Henry, type in her name on Facebook. Anytime me I go book makeup artist, cause money always in a pocket. Yeah, you worry about my mother mind me. Mommy not for mind me. Mommy don't mind me. So don't worry about my mother. True, my mother and father that are foreign. Them don't mind me. My mother and father, she's supposed to put a roof over my head. You know about my father? Who is your father? You have a blood clot father? Vanessa, you have a father? I need a blood clot father. You worry about my mother, but eat. It is not my problem. Yeah. Cause me not easy for hungry. Me not eat often. Ask anybody about me. I drink a lot. So I don't know from what I'm just get thick I go so. From my belly in front of me thick. I don't know how I get so thick. So you got talk about stay bad, your teeth them want fixing in your mouth. Your teeth them want fixing in your mouth. You need to save your money and fix the teeth them in your mouth. And that you need for blood clot do. But J.O.B. Sweethearts, you want to know what job I do? It calls scamming. Scamming. I don't work in bar. I don't need to work in bar. Okay? So yeah, worry about me work in a bar? No, I will tap you up. Vanessa, I will tap you up. Your information is so low. You can talk about me, chin. Me, I look back chin. Him lie. Me never look. I can swear to God, I can swear upon Velma Maris art. And me left the boy there. Ask Kamal Scatter, him did set me upon him. And if me could have take back my blood clot, I could have take it back Vanessa. Because chin is nobody. He's just a fucking liar. Me I worry about. But me I watch out your life. That's my job. Your job. You need to save your blood clot money. Invest your money. You gotta talk about you. I rent a blood clot, pay a fine, try and make them blood clot, put your out. Vanessa, rent a blood clot, pay. You have to find the money a week time or a month time for pay your rent, because I don't know how foreign go. You gotta talk about me well want go foreign. Me no well want go blood clot foreign, because embassy never turn me down yet. Me never try embassy. I'm not go foreign just because man like me go foreign, because I'm not married in an unwanted love. I'm not married because I want to go foreign, because a man not go just say, baby, you want to come marry me for go foreign? No, love me I'm married for. Love. If you know what I mean in a blood clot, real love, big, stay bad, Vanessa, me I call you blood clot. Vanessa was shaped like the brown barrel them, with them shipment pan blood clot. What? You got to talk about my mother and father don't feed me don't eat. I'm a blood clot man. Me man. You want know me blood clot, man, Vanessa not chain. And me blood clot left him. Me no want him, Vanessa. Vanessa, me left your blood clot, man. What me I do with them? Punkus pan blood clot pan, cause your man usually stitch up underpants and shoes. I restream blood clot crate, cause me never grow up come see that. Dirty Vanessa go fix your blood clot mouth. Go fix your blood clot body. You're working at your good job or job. Your mouth stink. Shit mouth. Batty breath, Vanessa. Vanessa, you just go Greater Portmore blood clot school. And your mouth it stink. In the pit blood clot breath. Dirty Vanessa. What come a Jamaica and your blood clot clothes. Them don't look good. Them don't look good. Them clothes don't look good. So me that Jamaica, I'm a hotter than your blood clot. Me look better than your Vanessa. Me look better. Me have to ask. Me look better than blood clot you. Cause if I use my example for God foreign, me no blood clot will go foreign, Vanessa. If you was an example for God blood clot foreign, but try. Now make them blood clots on your back out here. Fix your blood clot mouth with your shit breath. Your shit breath. Your teeth them na your head skin like blood clot and you're not dead yet. I know my teeth but for now, but in a still I care one. My blood clot first million. I for fix me. Cause when you're dead, your body I go with you. No man now go with you. So man now fix no blood clot man. Stinking mouth Vanessa. Go suck your mother.